Hi. 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 Say hi, Kenneth. Hi. 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 Say hi. 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 Say hi. I got on my man gown tonight. I'm wide awake. I'm not going to even say what time it is. Just know I'm wide awake. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi. 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 Can you wave your hand and say hi? Hi. Wave your hand and say hi. Say hi. Today is December 18th. Today you're officially 3 months old. Hi. But you're really like 13 weeks. And tell everybody I weigh 14.5 pounds and I'm 2 feet tall. I'm 24 inches. Say hi, everybody. Hi. 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 You done? You finished? You finished? You finished? You done? Say hi, Cannon. I'll say bye. We're gonna count down now. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna go to sleep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say bye. You done? You done? Alright, we're gonna sign out now. I'll say bye myself since Canada can't say it. Bye.